questions that you want to know and you want answers to. Tell me what your number one question is going to be.
Hey, Fred Lam here, and in this video, I want to share with you a 3-step process that you can follow to start profiting with influencers. Now, before I actually get into the 3 steps, I want to actually give you a little bit background on what influencer marketing is. So we all used to actually buy things based on what celebrities endorsed. We looked at magazines, we looked at ads, we looked at newspaper, and let's say that David Beckham, for any women out there that's gonna absolutely go crazy, when he wears that underwear, you want your boyfriend to wear that underwear too, right? Companies pay a fortune to these celebrities to actually have them using the products, endorsing the products, and shooting commercials for these products because companies know that that person has a massive influence in their fans and followers, and when they see that their godlike, obviously celebrity is using that product, everyone will flock to actually buy that product. So it is not a brand new thing. It always been it's decades of advertising using celebrities to actually sell product. Now, with the social media shift nowadays, we don't really just depend on celebrities. There are what we call internet celebrities, or what we call influencers. These people literally have a massive following on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch also is a very big one. So these people have a massive following, and whatever they say, whatever they do, whatever they talk about, have an influence to their followers and to their fans. So that's where really influencer marketing started to actually grow and start getting massive, because all these people that are regular people that aren't even a celebrity became an internet celebrity, have an influence to actually influence a large following of people or a large group of people. They are now called influencers. Now, here's the deal. You don't need to go ahead, post every day, Photoshop your face, or make it look nice and have like a nice background of you at a beach or you doing something to actually gain a massive follower in order for you to actually take advantage of influencer marketing. You can actually reverse it. Now, what do I mean by reverse it? You can be the company or business that pays these influencers to talk about your products and your service. When you do this, you obviously don't have to even have a large following, but you're harnessing and you're leveraging these influencers who have large following to basically talk about your product and service. Now, a lot of these influencers, the cost can be around $20 all the way to hundreds of thousands of dollars. And there are countless case studies that actually showed that, obviously one of them is Kylie Jenner, who is obviously a celebrity and an influencer, and when she launched her brand new cosmetic line in just a few years, she became a self-made billionaire and owns a $900 million cosmetic brand, all thanks to her influence. Now, Sugar Bear Candy is a vitamin bear candy gum thingy. When that company asked Kim Kardashian to actually do a post of her eating that gummy bear, guess what? That company became a multi-million-dollar company. So again, you can be in the position of being that business and asking influencers to actually talk about your product and service. Now, you don't actually even have to own your own products. If you're in Shopify, you can actually find a trending product and actually have these influencers to start promoting for you. So in a nutshell, also, I have obviously with Connor James, we've tested this, $20 actually helped us made almost $1,500 back with just one influencer. So the power is actually here. It is right in front of you. And today I want to share the 3-step blueprint with you on how to do so. Step number 1 is basically identify your products, right? You gotta basically know what product or service that you want the influencer to actually promote. Now, you don't want a product with just a white background. You want it to be a lifestyle photo or a quick video that actually tells or talks about the product itself. once you actually identify your product and service, the second one is very simple. All you gotta do is find the influencer, right? Now, when you find the influencer, there's an art to this. You can't just randomly find any random influencers. And the reason why I say this is because some influencers will allow shoutouts, some won't. Some will allow having a link in their bio box, some won't. You also need to be very careful about one thing, which is the engagement rate of these influencers. Some influencers actually buy their fans and buy bots. If you unluckily actually have someone that bought their fans, bought their likes, then you're basically going to be screwed, to be very honest with you. Because after you spend that money, you're not gonna get any return, you're not gonna get legit followers. So there's a calculation in place to actually figure out which influencer have the highest engagement rate. And we make sure the engagement rate is about 1%. Now that you actually found the influencer, obviously when you found one that is working, you can actually expand on it and find related influencers. But before you do that, the last step is simply contact them. Now, when you contact them, you will always get a price. They will tell you it will cost you X amount of money. There are different kinds of shoutouts. There are 1-hour posts, 24-hour posts, permanent posts, stories, etc., etc. Now, if you're starting out, what I recommend you is a 1-hour post, okay? It is going to be the lowest investment to get started, and it will allow you to see and monitor what is going on, right? Because you don't want to commit into a higher investment right now. You want to commit into a lower investment. Let's say that you only have $100. You don't want to use $100 and do a 24-hour post. You rather basically break up that $100 and maybe find 5 influencers that will allow you to do $20 posts in the first hour to really see which influencer is actually producing you results, and then bet all in on that one influencer that is getting you the highest ROI. Now, on top of all these, what you absolutely have to make certain of is a tracking link. And that's why you want to basically use tiny.ie. Right here, tiny.ie, go to this, there's a 14-day free trial where you get to actually track the conversion. Okay, now Instagram bio box, the link area cannot be like a super long link. You need to have a short link. So you wanted to make sure that you use Tiny to shorten the link and make sure that you track the conversion of each influencers. And Tiny can do all this for you. That way you will know which influencer is giving you the highest ROI so that you can place all bets into that influencer and find related influencers to the ones that is actually producing you a highest ROI. So again, these are 3 simple steps. So nothing fancy, nothing hard. Now, if you want to actually learn more in depth of how to do it, I have a workshop with my good buddy, Connor James, and right in the video description below. You can click on it, sign up to actually learn more about this. How we actually find product, how we find influencers, what are the things that we need to contact, what are the numbers and metrics that we gotta make sure. Again, if you think that you wanna harness influencer marketing and really wanna go more deep in depth in each of these, go ahead and sign up for that workshop. But again, there's really 3 steps to influencers, it's not hard. Product, find, and contacts, all right? But make sure you need a 1-hour post and use Tiny to actually track your results, all right? So I hope that this video really gives you an overview about influencer marketing. And again, I do encourage you to actually have influencer marketing in your business because it's an additional stream of traffic and income for you and your business. So again, if you liked any of my video, let me know right into the comment box right below. If you agree or disagree, I'm open up for honesty. Let me know what you think about this video right below in the video description. And if you like any of my videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to be notified right away, all right? So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.